Pork belly with taro is a traditional dish in the Guangdong province of China. It's a must-eat dish during any holidays and family gatherings. So today I want to show you how you can make pork belly with taro. And I also want to wish everyone a very happy Chinese New Year in the year of the rat. Let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to prepare the pork belly. In a pot of room temperature water, we're going to place the pork belly inside, along with ginger and scallions in it. Then we're going to boil it for about 30 minutes over high heat until it is medium well. Now we're going to take out the pork belly and place it on a flat working surface. Use a few metal skewers or a knife to prick holes throughout the skin of the pork belly while it is still hot. So by doing so, the skin will have a puff texture and it won't crack while deep frying it later. And dry with paper towels. Now we're going to brush 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce all over the pork belly while it is still warm. And this will give the pork belly a beautiful color. Place the pork belly on a strainer and air dry it for about 30 minutes. So here I already peeled off the skin of the taro root. So what I'm gonna do now is try to shape the taro root into the same size as the pork belly, so rectangular shape. Now we're gonna slice the taro into about the same size as the pork belly, so 1/2 inch thick slices. And in a frying pan, we're going to add the vegetable oil to about the same level as the skin of the pork belly. So perhaps 1 inch thick. Transfer in the pork belly with the skin facing down while the oil is still cool. And quickly cover the lid to prevent the oil from splashing everywhere. We're going to fry the skin in medium heat for about 3 minutes until golden brown. And we're going to turn off the heat before uncovering the lid for safety reasons. The pork belly skin should look like it has spots on it, just like this. We're going to deep fry the taro now, so in the same pan with the oil in it, transfer in the taro and deep fry over high heat until it is golden brown for about 3 minutes. Now after the pork belly is cooled down, we're going to take a look at it. If any part of it doesn't look like it is a rectangular shape, we're going to trim it off a little bit. But you can keep the meat for some other dishes. We're going to slice it into 1/2 inch thick slices. Okay, so to make the sauce, in a bowl we're going to mix in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, oyster sauce, zhuhou paste, the sauce of red fermented bean curd, sugar, and chicken stock. Now in another pan, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in it. Add in the garlic, ginger, star anise, and bay leaves. Cook over low heat until aromatic. Pour in the sauce. Cook over high heat for about 2 minutes. Now, to assemble the pork belly and taro in a bowl, in a large bowl, we're gonna place the pork belly and taro tightly in a standing position. Alternate one with another and skin side down. Pour the sauce in the bowl and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. And you kind of want to make sure that every piece of the pork belly and taro has some sauce in it, so just shake it up. To steam the pork belly and taro in a large steamer, bring water to a boil. Transfer in the bowl with the pork belly and the taro in it. And now we're just gonna steam on high heat for 2 hours. In the meantime, let's take a look at the weather in the East Coast of the US. So in front of our house, actually it is like this everywhere. The trees has ice on it. And I was joking with my daughter saying this is because Elsa from the Frozen visited our town. I think it's actually really pretty. Now carefully take out the bowl. To thicken the sauce, in a small pan, pour the sauce from the bowl into the pan. Heat it up over medium-high heat. Pour in the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. And we're gonna stir a little bit until it is thickened. To transfer the pork belly and the taro on a plate, place a plate over the bowl and cover it up. Carefully flip them. Uncover the bowl. And now you can pour the sauce over the pork belly and the taro. Garnish it with some scallions. Wow, look at that. Okay, so our pork belly and taro is ready. Let's give it a try. Look at that masterpiece. It looks so good. Wow, look at the pork belly. Whoa. The taro, oh gosh, it's so good. Okay, so this is a shared chopsticks and I'm gonna use this one. Wow. The taro just melt in your mouth. It kind of absorbs all these savory flavors from the pork belly. It's so good. Let me try the pork belly. This goes so well with rice. I don't have rice today. How come I didn't cook rice? Wow, this is so amazing. I love it. The pork belly doesn't feel fatty at all. I think partially it's because the taro really absorbed all the fattiness from the pork belly. It tastes amazing. Alright guys, so remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again in the next episode. Comment below and let me know what is your favorite pork belly recipe. Let's also stay in touch on Facebook. Just search for CiCi Lee. And I'll see you in the next episode. Happy Chinese New Year! Bye! 我想宝宝应该也很喜欢吃这个五花肉，那么软，好棒哦，好棒哦！再来一点芋头，等一下赶快去做一点那个米饭。哦，好吃，好吃，真的好吃啊！很开心。